After you get today's knowledge, be sure to check out my new music at the end of this video. Follow us for more tips, music, and blueprints that work. And if you really want to change your life, check out the link in our pinned post or pinned comment section. Now, let's get into how we are going to help you leap from crumbs to daily bread. Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of wealth in 2025? In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful tips on how AI can transform your financial future. If you act now, you could be on your way to earning huge profits. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Leverage AI for market research. Use AI tools to analyze market trends and consumer behavior. Benefits to you. Gain insights into what products or services are in demand. Save time and resources by automating data collection and analysis. Make informed decisions that can lead to higher profits. Tip 2. Automate your business processes. Implement AI-driven automation to streamline operations. Benefits to you. Increase efficiency by reducing manual tasks. Lower operational costs, allowing for reinvestment into growth. Free up time to focus on strategic planning and innovation. Tip 3. Enhance customer experience with AI. Utilize AI chatbots and personalized marketing to improve customer interactions. Benefits to you. Provide 24/7 support, enhancing customer satisfaction. Tailor marketing efforts to individual preferences, increasing conversion rates. Build brand loyalty through improved engagement. Tip 4. Invest in AI-driven financial tools. Use AI algorithms for investment analysis and portfolio management. Benefits to you. Make data-driven investment decisions to maximize returns. Monitor market fluctuations in real time for timely actions. Diversify your portfolio with AI recommendations based on risk assessment. Tip 5. Stay ahead of the competition. Continuously adapt to AI advancements to maintain a competitive edge. Benefits to you. Identify emerging trends before your competitors do. Innovate your offerings based on AI insights, keeping your business relevant. Position yourself as a leader in your industry by embracing technology. Thank you for watching. Remember, we're diving deeper into the subject every day for the month of January. Don't miss our double upgrade special ending February 1st. Follow our new series to witness a real-life AI profit blueprint unfold before your eyes starting today. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Check out these videos here or check out the link in our pinned Facebook post or YouTube comments pinned section to get started with our 5MP movement today.
Just let it happen, it's okay, you'll see. You wanna make money, let it be. The money ship's sailing, can't you feel the breeze? Mr. Leverage steers us through the getting money seas. We got the blueprint for the team, it's gold. Let it happen now before we grow old. Take action today, don't you delay, before the dream slips and fades away. Just let it happen, let it unfold. Ride the wave and strike the gold. The sky's the limit, are you ready to win? No time like now, let's dive right in. Opportunities knocking loud and clear. Don't let it pass you by, leave you standing here. You gotta seize the moment, take that leap. Harvest the fruits that dreams can reap. Map is drawn now, set sail, let's race. The treasure